What's going on YouTube? This Sosa Shots, man. I'm back at y'all with another video, and today is July 13th. We're 7 days away from my birthday, man. 7 days away. And everybody asks me, what do I got planned? Everybody always know that I love my kids and my nieces and nephews. So for my birthdays, for the majority of the years, I just go pick a park to go play at and have my kids out there. I'm going to do the same thing, not my actual birthday, probably on that Sunday, but this year, my cousin is letting me borrow the El Camino because my car's not ready yet. And there's a car event in Muncie, Indiana, which is like 20-30 minutes from where I live, and we're going to get a lineup together and we're going to shoot out, man, go have some fun. Let's see if I can get y'all a quick video of the car, see if y'all can see it. The El Camino. Yeah, that's gonna be my toy for next week, man. So, yeah, I'm just getting ready for that. I started 2 projects. Every time I think about recording it, it's always after I already start. So, when I get back to the house, I'm gonna show you guys the body's already painted. And probably kind of give you a little direction I'm going to go with it, a little inspirational, what made me do both of the builds, because they're both inspired by 2 cars that I like a lot. One is a model car, one is an actual car. I will try to put those in the video also. I'm still working on my editing and things like that, so I appreciate everybody rocking with me, man. Just keep supporting any way you guys can. This is something that I truly love to do. If anybody go back to my YouTube, I've been recording videos since 2014. Not for anybody else's pleasure but mine. I mean, well, I'm not gonna say that because I know other people like seeing cool things, cool cars and stuff as much as me, so I do it for that also, and I do it for me because it's just something that I always love to do. So now I'm about to go see my cousin Paul. He's in town for the weekend. He moved to Georgia. He used to live here in Indiana. So I'm going to go check him out, man. And then when I get back to the house, I will get back to the cars and we'll go from there. Well, I'm supposed to be on my way to the lab, and people kept telling me there was a car show, so we are on our way here to check it out. Well, actually, we are here to check it out. My fiance is with me. Say hi, YouTube. Hey. I told her to say hi, YouTube. She said,
hey, YouTube.
No, it's too late. I'm sorry. But, yep, we're here, so I will be back in just a second with a little bit of footage. Just a little bit. Alright, y'all, we out here. Do not ask me what this car show is called, because I don't know. I'm sorry. It's a cool little Escape. I like that color. What you looking at?
I was looking at that truck.
Nice little audio setup. This car been like this for probably, I know, at least 10 years. I say at least 10, 15 years. That Crown Majestic, now this is interesting right here.
Oh my gosh, they got a fake body in here.
Ooh, right-hand drive. See, this is what I'm talking about. Look at this.
New Jack City.
Right-hand drive.
Oh.
Yeah, this what I'm talking about right here.
Oh my god.
I gotta get a picture of this one for. See, that's this. Oh yeah, I like. That's what I yeah. Right-hand drive.
I wonder what it would be like to drive one of those.
Man, I'm getting. Oh, you'll find out soon, because we definitely will have something right-hand drive. I promise you that. I want to build a car. Because they made box Chevy. It's a few box Chevys that come right-hand drive like that. This is a beautiful color. I like this color.
Yeah, that's a really bright color. Woo.
Look at that gauge cluster. Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, that's nice. My guy Frank out here, T-Top Grand National. Those are always nice to look at. It's a oh yep, this is what I was looking. This is what I was looking for right here.
This is my favorite one already.
That's what I want. That's what I wanted to come see.
Yeah.
This thing is beautiful.
I like this. This one's very beautiful. That's the color. And look at this engine.
Yeah, that's nice. Oh, there you go. There goes the big dog. What's going on? Oh man. This thing is beautiful.
Hi, we're inviting people to our car show. It's on a Saturday.
What's going on? How you doing? Oh, chill. Hey, how y'all doing?
You got some flowers yet?
Yep. I gotta go. I'm gonna go pick them up here when I drop her off. Yep. Yep. I did. Yep. I'll be. What you got going on later on?
No, man, send me up.
Okay. Yep. I sure will. This is beautiful, huh? Not recording my YouTube video.
At Jackson Park.
This is beautiful.
Yes, ma'am.
Ours is in 2 weeks
Oh, this is beautiful.
at Crossroads Methodist Church.
Okay.
Up on the hill, there's the Scatterfield Payless, and then directly cut a corner across the street. There's that one.
Beautiful International. T-Top. What time is it, babe? Oh, it's a good
3:10.
choice. Okay.
That Jay Green is beautiful. You got invited to a car show, YouTube. That part.
July 27th. Ah, yep, I'm off that weekend. Oh, yes.
Uh-oh.
That's sharp.
That is sharp.
Split bumper Camaro.
That car is the definition of pimping ain't easy. That pink one.
Oh, yeah, Starliner. I love them cars.
Oh, look at them. Look at them. They just look so
The
good.
hard top convertible. Old schools.
Mary Poppins.
Mary Poppins gang.
Old
This
school.
is nasty. This salmon pink or whatever. Oh man. Look at that interior in this thing. That's tight. Look at that roof is so big. Skyliner. I've been saying Starliner and Skyliner. Galaxy Skyliner. That's what it's called. I will eventually have one of these in my collection too, for sure. Our pole, I'm telling you, baby, you better get ready because I'm gonna have a big old pole barn. My guy Frank Carr. This Frank Carr, the guy dude that was just over there. He did all this himself. He painted it himself. He put that chrome nose on there by itself. He didn't have this car. I don't know how long he had this car, but I know he put the engine in it 13 years ago. And it's still just a regular 350, and it's been running perfect ever since. That's why I'm just going back conventional. I don't need that all that LS stuff and all that crazy stuff that I wanted. I ain't doing that no more. Chevy bow tie in it. And see, this is what cars is all about. See, it ain't perfect, but he still brought it out, and it's beautiful. On the staggered steelies. This deep dish in the back on the dish bowl. I love this car. This is probably one of my favorite ones out here. I'm gonna be honest with you. Just because he did not care, I love this car. It's beautiful. And then I got the Daytona sitting next to it. Hey boy, nice 55. Wow, this thing is beautiful. The stance on it is just so mean. That LS is nasty. Beautiful, beautiful car. We on our way out the door. I think she has this nice Corvette. Last car, man. We about to get out of here. Yeah, we walking that way. 75 Caprice. The brown combination with the peanut butter pinstripe. Peanut butter interior. AC car. Man, I wish I could buy one of the antique tags. You hear me? But they don't, I mean, they don't got nothing. Not, oh, this is sick.
I did. I used to look custom cars. Hey, there's one bike I wish I'd never sold you. I had a 48 Camry.
Man.
Along with it, I had the original transmission and the original spinner front end. Now I had another copy.
Well, y'all, I ended up by myself. She left me. Guess I was taking too long, man. So, About to go get her to work, and I will probably be back out here to check out a couple more cars. Cause I think there was a couple more that I wanted to see that I haven't seen yet. So I'll be back with you guys here in a second, and either I'll be in the lab or checking out more cars. And now we are actually on our way to go pick out some interior color for the 71 Cutlass that I'm building. We're gonna go to Walmart, find us some spray paint. Oops, I'm entering, do not enter side. Yeah, we're gonna go Walmart, pick us out some spray paint. Then we're gonna stop at Hobby Lobby and pick us out some carpet. See if they got the color that we're looking for. Cause they don't always have it. I know a website that actually has it, but I'm not on that type of time right now. A lot of my personal builds, well, all of my personal builds are just for fun purposes only. Even if it's a build off, I really would never care about winning a build off because I'm not a competitive builder. I build for fun, and I build to make people's dreams come true. I wouldn't even say dreams come true, but just bring their cars to model car size. They can have a 1/1 scale and a 1/24 or 1/25 scale. So, yep, man, we're going into Walmart right now. About to go pick the color of the paint. I will probably get back on here when I get in the Hobby Lobby and show you guys what kind of carpet that it is, because as far as for the paint, it's nothing but flat or satin, Rust-Oleum, or Krylon paint. It just depends on which one has the color you want. They're both good product. You know, like I say, everybody got their own preferences, man. It's a model car world. Okay, so I decided to show you guys the paint options that I got right now. I'm trying to talk as loud as I can to block that music off. That I definitely don't want to hear. This is the color area that I'm looking at. Just give you a quick glance. Then when I get home, I will show you guys what I picked and why I picked it. So Walmart did not have the color that I was looking for. So I'm gonna try Hobby Lobby, see if Hobby Lobby got it. If not, I'm gonna go back to Lowe's and go back home, and it's lab time. L for lab. Lab. That's the closest y'all gonna get to editing, because I don't have anything to edit right now. See y'all in a minute, man. Let's see what we can find at Hobby Lobby. Well, Hobby Lobby was a dud. The color is close, but it didn't cut it. So we are on our way back to Lowe's. The first store that I went to get the color that I should have got the first time, but I was trying to see if I could find a better color that would suit it better. Couldn't find it, so we are back on our way to get the color that we need to get, and then we're on our way to the lab. So when we get back, I will show you guys what's going on. Thanks for your patience, and see you soon. Okay, YouTube, man, first and foremost, I want to apologize. I totally blew today. I didn't get to record anything. I came home and just started work. So, this is what's going on. I ended up getting from the hobby store earlier today for this cutlass. Of course, it's a W30, so we're going to keep the W30 red fenders. Pink interior. I decided just to do the buttons. I'm not done with the detail. I'm far from done, but this is a good start. Carpet ain't perfect, but you won't see the white when I put the sides on. Here go the frame for it.
And like I said, man, it's all peacock feathers. That's what it's for somebody to sit back and...
A 69 Chevelle that I'm building. I could probably show you guys that. I really don't want to show the cutlass at the moment. Matter of fact, nah, I'm not going to show it either. Sorry guys, I just don't want to show it. Not right now. We're getting a wheel change. In the process of getting a wheel change.
And not a girl, like, don't even remember that.
Wires are in.
And that happens all the time, you know.
Still got a little bit to finish up.
We lose some golden members in these moments. Golden members. And it's sad, man. It's sad. But hopefully
69 Firebird.
You know, that's why I started this program, Dream Seeker. You know, I just went and spoke at a high school in Dallas.
Here goes some sets of 28s I printed from on my 3D printer.
You know, I was talking to some of these
Sunroof, I'm going to work on a clear glass so I can put it in something, but yes, sir. Sunroof, it open and slide back, all that good stuff.
We experienced as young people, because like nobody really wants to be the bad guy.
So yeah, this is the process of the cutlass build that I'm doing. 71. Not exactly sure where the box is at, but
All of these different things, but you're like, you know, all this is fun and show me how to mix it. You know, so I said it's
69 Chevelle.
over the counter.
That's the only preview that you guys will get. It'll be done in a day or two.
Let me go teach my people how to fish, and let me teach them how to actually make music. You know what I mean? Let me show you what a producer is. The first time I ever stepped into a film set, I was like blown away. Like they had so many even heard of this job.
So yeah, I've been up all night, haven't had any sleep. Been making great progress though, I will say that. Let me see if I feel like being nice. Ooh. Yep. That's about all I'm going to show you guys. So next video will be the finishing touches and the reveal of the 71 Cutlass hardtop and the 69 Chevelle hardtop. Thanks for tuning in, and everyone have a blessed day.